Guys, welcome to Native Kitchen. Today we're back with another native meal. Today we're making yam porridge. We all know yam porridge. All right, we'll dive into the ingredients we'll be using for this delicious meal. All right, here is my chopped onions. I have my fresh pepper. I have my spices here. This is like a combination of three spices. If you want to know the spices I use for this, okay, just ask on the comment section. I'll be there to reply. Okay, here is my salt. I have my seasoning cubes. I have my roughly blended crayfish. I like it this way. Okay, I have this fish. This fish is called panla. Okay, it's just to garnish the meal. Okay. All right, I have my leaf here. This is my vegetable leaf, normally known and commonly called ugu. Okay, but you can use any other leaf. You can use scent leaf. You can use mint leaf. You can use curry leaf, whichever one you want to use. You can even use bitter leaf, those that love bitter things. Okay. All right, I have my palm oil, always beautiful looking. Okay. I have my fish here. This is what I'll be using. But if you have the roasted fish, you can use it too. But this is what I'll be using for this cooking. Then I have my yam. This yam, I'll peel it, wash it, and then we go into cooking. All right, guys, let's cook. Here is my yam. I'll be cutting this into this round shape and then dice it the way I need it. Okay. To be very thick. I need it very thick. So this is what I'll be doing. I don't want to use anything to thicken it. Most persons use gari to thicken it, but I don't want to do that. Okay. So this is what I'll do to make my yam thick. My pots. I'll pick most of them and just scrape. See this? So add little water to this. Okay, that should be okay for my cooking. Then we'll cover this. All right, we'll keep this aside. Okay, with my frying pan, I'll put in my fish. Okay, put in my pepper. I'll go in with my salt. I'll go in with my chopped onions. I'll go in with my spices. Remember I said this is a mixed spice. Okay, I'll go with my seasoning cube. Just one will be okay for me. And with my hand, I'll use my hand to do this. Okay. All right. I'm doing this. Okay, you can use your spoon or your spatula in case you're scared of the pepper hurting you. I'm just used to this. I can touch any of this without having any side effect. I'll just be fine. Okay, you can use your spoon to do this. All right, I'll add little water and I'll just go into steaming this. I won't marinate. I'll go into steaming this, add little water. Okay, and I will steam. I'll put on my gas. Okay, and I'll steam this for just 5 minutes. Okay, guys, it's boiling and I have to add more water to this. Okay, added my water and I'll cook. When it's done, we'll go into the main cooking. Okay, guys, this is our fish and this is well cooked already. Okay, I'll get this out into my plate. All right, guys, I'll be deboning my fish. Okay, this is what I'll do. Debone. Just to practically get out the bone from this fish. Ta-da! Okay, let's go into the main cooking right now. Okay, guys, here is our pot properly seated. Okay, I'll open that and then I'll put on my gas. Okay, this is what I'll be going in with into this pot. Practically, I'll be going with almost everything I'll be using for this cooking. Okay, first of all, I'll go in with my mala fish. Okay, my mala is there. I'll go in with this little of it, keep most of them aside. I'll go in with my pepper. All of that. Okay, little salt. Okay, then I'll go in with my spices, my mixed spices. This is mixed spices. I'll go in with my onions and keep part of it. Then I'll go in with my crayfish. Keep part of it. And I'll do this. Okay. Okay. So I'll practically boil this until it gets soft. Then I'll check back and then put in every other thing I left behind. And then the cooking continues. All right, guys. I'll put my pot right now. Okay, guys. Well, here to check up on our pots. Okay. Wow. The aroma is giving already. All right, I'm going to stir this. See? Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is it. Okay. Okay. All right. This 10 minutes after. And I think I'm getting what I needed already. Yep. Okay. I'll go with my chopped onions. Put in every other thing that I left behind. Complete this. Put in my crayfish. Okay, I'll put in the remaining fish. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, before I go in with the spices, I have to test it first. So I don't over spice my porridge yam. Okay, this yam is soft and it's ready. Okay, I'm going to test this. Okay, I'll do very little of that. Very little of my salt. Say it again. Ooh, ooh la la. Okay, all right. Perfect. This is very okay right now. Okay. Then I'll go with my palm oil. Go with all of that. I'll stir this. Ooh. Ooh. My pot is red. Damn. Wow. This is it. Have you seen this? The consistency for me, eh? Have you seen? It's very thick and it's delicious. Mm. I can't wait to eat. The amazing part is giving. Okay, right now I'll go with my leaf. Remember what I said? Whenever you put this, don't take long. Drop your pot down so it doesn't overcook. So right now, what you do for me is just strike on the subscription button, okay? Subscribe to this channel, comment, like, and share this video, okay? Make sure your sister knows how to cook this delicious meal. Make sure your mom sees this and say, yeah, this is how to make it. Okay, guys? All right, guys, let's go into the next session. All right, it's time to eat. Huh. This is the best part ever, okay? I love this food. And it's looking so beautiful already. Hi, where do I even start from? Okay, I just have to start somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna test the sweet and delicious, beautiful looking food. Ah, okay, I'm eating this. Honestly, it's delicious. Okay, just try it. It's simple to make and it's fast. I didn't take more time to prepare this, okay? Try it at home and share the videos around. Comment on the comment section, like this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, guys, nice to have you and nice to see you around every time we post our videos. And make sure you keep checking by. All right, guys, bye and have a nice time. Take care.